This movement is not just intelligent, it is also very compassionate. I'm speaking to you from Ahmedabad, which is the textile capital of India. And I'm the co-founder of Color Ashram Foundation, a training studio for using natural dyes in textile dyeing application, both in hand dyeing and machine dyeing. As you all know that India has had a very ancient and rich past of natural dyes usage, and it's just been 19th century since we started using synthetic dyes. And since then, synthetic dyes has actually taken over natural dyes completely. All our handicrafts, which were always done for thousands of years in natural dyes, are also now today using synthetic dyes. And this is because it makes perfect sense in terms of economy and ease of use. But in terms of ecology, it is a disaster. Now think about the tons of clothes, thanks to fast fashion, the tons of clothes that are being processed and dyed in India, the number of industries that we have, and the amount of water that we are polluting. Not just water, when these clothes land up in the landfills, they are also leaching out very harmful dye chemicals again and polluting the soil. Also the health of the worker. The people who work in these textile industries are potential cancer patients.
The color should be pale green.
So we have a fashion brand as well, which is called Biome Conscious Fashion, and this brand is selling clothes only in India. We are actually doing 60-70% custom tailoring for people. We do not have a collection, we do not do seasons. We follow what is needed, and we don't like to waste fabric because after all, it's resources and it's very expensive on the planet.
The tendency of people who are working with black and blue, they say that they're surely going to get cancerous after 5 years if they continue to work in the farm.
We have innovated the application process. We're using the same ingredients as was used 200 years back, thousands of years back, but our process is different. It is suited to the time, energy, and fuel of today. It is economically viable, it is standardized, and it can be used on machines. I want to say this again because I think it's wonderful to have a solution to dye fabrics without polluting water with natural colors. And now we are ready to mentor and share this technology and process with you. So if you are living anywhere in the world, you have abundant resource of plants and colors. All you need to do is learn how to use it. And we are very happy to share that process with you. You do not have to send your fabrics to us for dyeing. You can actually set up a dyeing infrastructure at your own place, in your own country. Use your local plants for colors. That's exactly what we are doing here in India. My co-founder has a company where they are manufacturing dyes, and we are sourcing all our dye materials from India itself, from different geographies to make different colors. The dyes are processed here, the dyeing happens here, and the space where we teach this is also here. Natural dyes is a color which is got from plants, and we use some minerals like alum and iron as fixer. And when we use this dye in our textiles, the waste coming out from this dyeing process is organic. The water coming out has organic content. The soil and water knows how to process this without making anything toxic. It's good for the health of the worker who's going to make these clothes. It's good for the soil, it's good for the air. It's good for everyone. It's a win-win for everyone. So more support, more love for this movement, and a very happy localization day from Color Ashram Foundation.